This next song is very, very important to me and very special to me. And kung may mga mahal kayo sa buhay na kasama niyo ngayon, meron ba? Alam ba nila? Hindi? Bakit hindi? Hindi pa pwede. Okay. But, isa sa mga natutunan ko this year is to show gratitude for the people that stay. And to show gratitude for the people who love you even when you're hard to love.
Okay lang yan. Ramdam
It's not
kita.
easy to grow up. Is adulting hard in Tawi-Tawi? Not so much. But I know that we all have our own battles and we all have our own journeys in life, and I'm just thankful that there are people that God brings into our lives that help us to keep going. So if kasama na sila ngayon, sana hindi nyo kalimutang pasalamatan sila na hindi sila umaalis. Tawi-tawi, this one's for you.